Hello everyone. Today, I'm sharing a thrilling and inspiring story about a young boy who transformed his biggest fear into his greatest strength. By the end of this story, we'll learn the importance of courage, resourcefulness, and believing in ourselves, no matter how dark things may seem. Let's dive in. In a village surrounded by a dense, enchanted forest, there lived a boy named Liam. The villagers called him Shadow Boy because he was terrified of the dark. While others played outside during moonlit nights, Liam locked himself indoors, trembling at the thought of shadows creeping around him. One day, disaster struck. The sun disappeared from the sky, plunging the world into eternal night. The village was shrouded in complete darkness, and people couldn't farm, hunt, or even light fires, as they mysteriously extinguished within moments. A village elder gathered everyone and said, "The sun crystal, which keeps our world bright, has been stolen by the Shadow King, who lives deep in the forest. Only someone pure of heart and brave of spirit can retrieve it." The villagers looked at each other, uncertain. Then, to everyone's surprise, Liam stepped forward. "I may fear the dark, but if I don't try, we'll all suffer. I'll bring back the sun crystal," he declared, his voice trembling but resolute. Liam entered the forest armed with only a small lantern that flickered weakly. The trees loomed like giants, their twisted branches whispering ominously. Shadows danced around him, and every step felt heavier than the last. As he ventured deeper, he encountered the first challenge, a chasm too wide to jump across. At the edge of the chasm sat a mysterious old man who said, "To cross, you must give me something of value." Liam thought hard and handed over his lantern. "It's the only thing I have, but I'll find my way in the dark if I must." The old man smiled, revealing a glowing rope bridge that spanned the chasm. "Sometimes, letting go of your fear lights the path ahead," he said cryptically. On the other side, Liam found himself in a labyrinth of shifting shadows. No matter which direction he turned, the walls moved, trapping him. Exhausted and scared, he sat down and whispered to himself, "How can I defeat what I fear most?" Then, he noticed something: the shadows mimicked his movements. If he raised his hand, they raised theirs. An idea sparked. Liam began moving in intricate patterns, tricking the shadows into forming a path out of the maze. As he emerged, he realized, the darkness doesn't control me, I control it. Finally, Liam reached a cavern where the Shadow King sat on a throne of swirling mist, holding the glowing sun crystal. "You've come far, little boy," the Shadow King said, his voice echoing. "But this crystal is mine now. Why should I give it to you?" Liam didn't fight or argue. Instead, he said, "I was afraid of you my whole life, but now I see that you're just misunderstood. You're not the enemy, you're part of the balance. But the world needs light, too." The Shadow King paused, surprised by Liam's words. "You are wiser than I thought," he said. "Take the crystal, but remember, light and darkness must coexist." As Liam carried the sun crystal back to the village, the sky began to glow once more. The villagers cheered as the first rays of sunlight returned to their world. From that day on, Liam was no longer afraid of the dark. He became the village's guide, teaching others that fear could be conquered through understanding and bravery. This story reminds us that our fears are often just shadows of our own imagination. When we face them with courage and wisdom, they lose their power over us. No matter how dark things may seem, there's always a light within us waiting to shine. Remember, you're braver than you think and stronger than you know. Keep chasing your dreams, and I'll see you in the next story. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen this story. If it resonated with you, I'd love for you to like, share, and comment below. Your thoughts mean the world to me, and I'm eager to hear how this story touched your heart. Let's continue spreading inspiration together. Your support makes it all possible.